who is not taking mathematics will miss out taking courses like medicine, engineering, and other serious courses that we see our people are proud of in this republic. Making mathematics optional, we see so many mass exodus of students moving away from taking that subject. Even myself, yourself, seated here, if you are told take mathematics as optional subject, you won't like it. And that means the future of our country will be in problems. That one we are against, and we can't allow it to continue. Let those who came up with the scheme to go back to the drawing board and see how they can handle.
It's a touchy issue. I've really been very limited at the moment on that. But of course, it's something that is unfortunate. But of course, I think it's something that will require consultation as part of the other players who are more in the sector of education will engage so that we find a better solution going forward. But one thing I mentioned is that mathematics is a bit fundamental. But of course, a better way would be looked into it so we ensure that we don't have a void in terms of figures going forward, because mathematics is the foundation of figures.